What? Is he gonna laugh at me?
Yo. This man really?
Yes.
I opened this up, and you know what I see?
Another box.
A science version of Who Killed Captain Alex, Uganda's first action movie.
Yes!
Yo, let's fucking go!
Oh!
Let's go!
Super kicker!
Here's the actual keyboard. Drum roll, chat. So these are lubed Telios. I'm already rocking Telios and the keyboard I already have, but these are lubed. But here's the best part.
Ah, that looks so fire, bro. Oh my god, hold on, I'm gonna move my.
Oh, dude, it feels nice. Listen.
Oh,
It's solid, bro.
oh, fuck. Hand engraved, dude. Hand engraved. Hand engraved.
Damn. The only thing left is to
What?
Who Killed Captain Alex.
Watch
and
who-
my keycaps, huh?
Who killed Captain Alex, bro? How many people are watching his stream right now?
This is all made by
18,000.
Nicoisbuzzkill.
Nicoisbuzzkill.
That's his Twitch. Twitch.tv/Nicoisbuzzkill.
Let's go. Got the shout out.
Twitter's the same. Damn, dude, it feels amazing.
Got the shout out. Pagos.
Dude, the attention to detail on this. Look at the mask. Just look at the mask.
Dude.
The flowers, bro. God damn. This is a nice ass case you sent it to me, and no lie. Actually means I might be able to bring this shit to lands.
Oh, I packed that just so you could bring it to lands, Mendo.
Damn. Alright. Tomorrow, type test. You'll get your you wrote on the note, to Mendo, your typing test better be over 100 words per minute. I hope you like this. I do commissions and I stream them on Twitch. P.S. There's a signed copy of Who Killed Captain Alex. So tomorrow.
Thank you guys so much for the follows.
Over 100 easy. I'll get you 160 runs.
Better be over 100. Come on, Mendo. Call him.
Sure.
Yes.
Do it up.
What's up?
What up?
Dude, so I included that case. Oh, like I got it super long time ago. I was like, I have no idea when I'm gonna do this. You know, I can't go to meetups right now. And I was like, better give it to Mendo. You know, he's gonna go to lands eventually.
I'll use it.
He's gonna go to lands.
Whenever I try to travel with custom keyboards, if I just put them in my backpack, I always have to take them out of security. I
Yeah.
always double check my bag and shit.
Oh yeah, I know. I travel with mine like everywhere. I take it to the office, take it to work, just put it in my bag. But yeah, I also got I got both the Team Liquid mouse pads for the stream too, just for the stream to build that keyboard. So I got both of them, and I got a jersey.
Ooh. Which one? Just the normal Team Liquid one?
I got the Dark Horse jersey because I liked the look of it.
You're gonna get this host?
I'm gonna get this host.
You're getting the host? I'm gonna put together the keyboard off stream and I'll give you the typing test tomorrow when I go live.
Dude, you're gonna make me cry.
And if you're not there when I do the typing test, I'll just make sure it's clipped and shit.
Okay, yeah, I'm making a video on how it was built, and I'm including clips of this, so.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Send that to me when you're done, and thank you so much.
Dude, I really hope that you love the sound of it. It's just it's been like 5 months in the works. I remember when I first told you.
I'm so excited to fucking type, man. I cannot wait for tomorrow. Holy fuck.
Yeah, hi YouTube. That's what my chat says is hi YouTube. And they also say hi Mendo. But
man,
Oh,
thank
hi,
you so
thanks
much,
for
bro.
checking in. I'm still a piece
oh
of
Mendo,
garbage.
thank you so much for the sub. Aw, dude.
Mendo just subscribed.
Alright.
Hi, YouTube.
Slash raid. Alright, going up, guys. Going up.
Maybe Teha Types will finally see me as a builder. He'll know who I am, huh? Mendo with the raid of 1,200 viewers.